the whole idea of the collection, the entire collection, as I said earlier, is this idea of eclecticism. You know, it's not a non-look, and we're not saying it's trendless, but I think what's happening at the moment is that fashion is having a very idiosyncratic time. I think there are lots of different things to kind of pick and choose from. And we've honed in on a few different things. We've honed in on the whole idea of the sort of resurgence, I suppose, of a kind of part nerd, part prom sort of look, but also mixing that with something that's kind of quite theatrical in some ways. You saw from the first part of our show, we've got three main themes. One of them we're calling kooky, which is kind of an eclectic mishmash of vintage, of global style, so that's the first one. The second one we're calling neo-noir, so it's kind of a little bit futuristic and very, very pared down and strong. And then the final presentation for the Academy is kind of inspired by the work of Cristobal Balenciaga, because we feel that that's very relevant right now, that whole idea of advanced style, which I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with, started in New York in the early 2000s, and has become kind of something of an iconic movement that both older people and younger people are kind of tapping into in very, very different ways, which you'll kind of see in a moment.
And then Sylvia